What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is Wednesday, September 16th, and today we're going to talk about week 8 of my $2,500 investment in Norwegian Cruise Line and also go over a couple of cruise news. So let's get started. Today they are up 3.12%, after hours 0.51%. If you look at the week, they're actually down 2.55%. They hit all the way up to $19.10 at one point. They did fall off a little bit. Carnival did announce that they are down a lot of money, which kind of brought down the cruise lines, but they are slowly working themselves back up. For the month, they are still up 15.25%, and for the 3 months, they're down 8.41%. And let's just look at the year, they're all the way down 67%. So there's a lot of room to grow. I don't see them getting back here anytime soon, but I do see them still getting around the $25, $26 range like they did in June. So like I said, guys, I did a contract. I sold a put for a $25 strike price expiring 12/18, holding a $2,500 collateral. If you look at these numbers, which I don't pay too much attention to, it says I'm up $5, total return $240, but I do expect this contract to expire where I would have to buy the shares. So if that does happen, these would be the actual numbers you would see. So let's look at the bid price, which is the low end. You're looking at $8.60. The ask price is the high end, which is $9.30. This is a pretty wide spread. So the mark price is at $8.95. The last sale price was $9.05. So 8 weeks ago, I did get this at a good price. I did get a premium of $11.35. You times that by 100. So I did get $1,135 premium for this. So my total investment would be subtracted to $2,500 to do this option minus the premium. So the money I have invested is $1,365. So my break-even price at that time was $13.65. As you can see, it's well above that price. It's at $17.59 now. And my current price minus the break-even price gives me $3.94. So this gives me a profit of $394 so far. We're 8 weeks in. I am up 29% in profit. I'm down a little bit from last week, but it's only 2% down. But looking at the amount I've invested and the amount that I currently have in the stock right now, if it expired, it's still a significant amount of money. So let's look at a few things news-wise for the cruises. First, Carnival did announce they're scrapping 18 ships from its fleet. So that's 5 more than they previously promised. So what they're doing is they're getting rid of the ships, because even when they do get the green light to sail, it's not like they're going to be able to have every single ship at whatever capacity that they are allowed to be completely full. You have to have employees working there. You have to have people still working on these ships that people aren't shipping out. There's a lot of stuff you're doing to the ship, even if it's not on a cruise at that time. So for them scrapping these ships in the medium term to short term, they're saving a good amount of money off employees and maintenance on the ship and also storage. So Norwegian has put out a couple of things on their departures. So they're selling cruises right now. Departure coming from Los Angeles to Cabo, San Lucas, and Ensenada. That's starting as early as November 1st. That's a day after the no sale order is set to expire. They're also selling cruises departing from Miami to the Mexican coastlines, and that's set up for as early as November 21st. So these are good news that they are not canceling these at the time and they're not pushing them back, but these are kind of just a feeler outer, so they don't even care if they're really making any money. They just want to make sure the crews know what they're supposed to do, make sure everyone gets tested, make sure no one gets COVID on the ship before or after. And the last thing is, like I said, the no sale order is still set for October 31st. So that's good news, because usually around this time they would have pushed it back already. So for them not to push it back and only being about a month and a half away, that's good news. So I don't see them pushing it back any farther unless something major happens with the other smaller cruise lines with COVID or if we have a second outbreak coming out and we have to shut things down again. Hopefully that does not happen, but for the most part, it's all good news for the cruise lines. That'll be all for today, guys. I am trying to get to my 100 subscriber, so I do have 71 now. I'm just 29 to go. So definitely subscribe if you like what you're hearing. Hit the like button and comment below if you have any other questions. Thank you guys. Have a good day.